I'm going to take you through the process of creating an account and then posting to the New York State Forage Exchange. So if you've never been there before, you go to NYS Forage Exchange, all one word, .com, and that will bring you to this page, and you'll want to sign up. So you click the sign up button up here, and it'll ask you for a new username. Once you fill that out and click register, it will say check your email for your new password. So then you go to your email, and hopefully you'll have received a message. If you don't have the message in your inbox in a matter of 10 minutes, be sure to check your junk email. Some email systems will automatically filter automated messages to the junk folder. But once you receive that email and click on confirm, you can then go back here and log in. And I'm going to log in with my username and password. You can see I have options now that I didn't have before. And the first thing I want to do is post an ad. So I'm going to click on that link. And here's my listing page. I'm going to post an ad for hay. And then I am selling it. So I'm going to post it under for sale. So I click go. And that takes me to another page where I fill out the details of the hay that I have for sale. You give it a title. And you can select the forage from the list. And I have alfalfa. I've got small square bales. It's second cutting. And the price. So when we're looking at price, is price per unit that we're selling. So it's price per small square bale. And we're just going to put a price in there. And then it asks me for my address. And I fill in these fields. Select New York. Postcode. And any tags, we don't have to worry about those. Description, it needs a small description, so and it helps if you can spell. Small ad for demonstration purposes. Now if I have a picture of the forage I'm going to be listing, I can click add image. That will bring up a standard file browse box, and we're just going to take a random image here because we're just testing here, it doesn't matter. So I upload the image, and once it's there, I can click continue, and it lets me review my listing. And here are the rules and guidelines. You can take a quick look at those. Once I've decided that this is what I wanted to post, I click continue, and it's been received. Now, the way the system is set up right now is that I can see the ad that I've just submitted, but it is not available to the public yet. All ads are held in moderation. On a daily basis, someone will go in and check the ads and approve the ads that are real. One of the challenges of running a system like this is there are a fair number of submission of ads that are spam. So by moderating the ads, we can make sure that the content that is posted to the site is current and accurate and real. But that's simply the process. And then once you've posted your ad and it's approved, you will see it. It will show up. You can either search for it. You can go to it under categories. And if it's one of the most recent listings, you'll find it in the latest listings ad section. And if you click view more ads, that should let you see a lot of the ads that have been posted. And that, in a nutshell, is the process of creating your account and then posting an ad to the site.